Hello guys,
I'm Cedric.
I'm Michael.
I'm John.
In today's vlog, we are here to discuss about copyright infringement.
So hello guys, so what is copyright? A form of intellectual property law that grants creator exclusive legal rights to their original works such as books, music, arts, and software from the moment they are fixed in tangible medium. In short, pag nangingi tayo ng copyright rights sa owner, magpapaalam muna tayo sa kanila o kaya bibiling natin sa kanila. Ayun lang.
So why is it illegal? Copyright infringement is illegal because it violates property rights and disrupts social contract between creators and the public. The law serves three main functions. Next is moral and professional integrity. It grants creator control over how their work is attributed and used, preventing others from distorting the original intent or damaging the author's reputation. Next is economic protection. It treats intellectual creations as property, ensuring authors and inventors can monetize their work. So without this protection, there would be financial incentive to invest the time and resources required for high-level innovation.
Uy, Kel, nandiyan ka pala.
Ito, kumusta?
Okay lang.
Pre, may ginawa kang kanta. Ano tingin mo?
Ikaw gumawa niya?
Oo, tol. Tingin mo sikat kaya to?
Sigit yan man, iwala lang.
Sige, tol.
Ay, man.
Sige, man. Kumusta?
Ayos naman.
Pero ano ba binitaw mo ba si Michael gumawa na ito?
Oh, pamilyar nga niya. Pero parang narinig ko na ibang singer at ako ng tanyan.
Kaya nga, parang pagbibig na ito, di ba?
Ako gumawa nito, tol. Ano sa tingin niyo, tol?
Maganda ito eh.
Ayos siya man.
Sige. Support niyo ako, tol, ah.
Portugal tol.
Sige. Like and follow niyo, tol.
Yeah.
Buti na lang pala tayo sa school, no?
Sabi nakakahiya pa rin. Nakakahiya pa rin magsalabas tayo ng hindi tol.
Kaya nga eh.
Mike.
Hindi, magkakatabi tayo.